Who the fuck? Y'all, we ain't seen this man in ages. He ain't been around in ages. Who is that?
What's going on with you?
No, we
our favorite PR, bro. What's happening with you? City to city, state to state. I've been in the same city, in the same state, so I ain't been nowhere. Don't worry about it. But I'm here. I'm here.
This nigga here. What's going on with you, boy?
What's good with you?
I can't call it. Out here getting to it. Out here for another shop day at G's Garage. Ward Fabrications. But getting these pods so we can put on the back of Vader. We got some rock lights going on over there, some wheel lights going on over here, upper control arms. OJ over there doing spark plugs, I believe. But yeah, getting it done. Trying to get everybody done and ready for the night for this meet that we hosting with state rejects. But catch y'all in a little bit.
I hate you.
I heard that.
I hate you with passion.
I heard that. Go ahead, Juice Man.
You know what I'm saying? Shop day, gotta do a little something. You know, we're doing some spark plug maintenance, you know what I'm saying? Got the new ones here, you know, gotta take the old ones out. Gotta take the old ones out first. It's always great.
I know, it was texting me so long.
He was filming.
Making this like an LOS or something.
He was filming, G. I was talking to the people. God damn it.
When you come to garage day, this is what happens.
What's that, G?
You know. Uh-oh. Someone's rocking some 22s?
Some replacements.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, let's get a peek. Guys.
Hey, just like a kid putting his head in the cookie jar that don't belong to him.
Right.
Right when you start saying mine. Mine?
Woo! Shiny.
Nope. Clean, flossy.
Buy the other ones.
Pick them up. That's what they're supposed to look like.
At least if you buy the other one, you'll have a full-size spare.
That's true.
Oh, and then we'll get them wheel lights in there. You know, I'm gonna order those F250 and I'm gonna fucking order them. $546.
It's alright, man. You know what I'm saying? I got your little diesel, you know what I'm saying? That's cute. That's nice. Super duty.
Heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
You ain't gotta act like that, though.
Look, club, but look. You ain't rocking with the V8 though. You know what I'm saying? We sit low. Don't get too close to dirty right now. Hold on.
Ooh,
But
okay.
I'm saying, you know, you got the little diesels.
They're all V8s.
You know, we got the V8s. You know what I'm saying? I can't roll cold, none of that. I mean, I can blow black smoke, but I gotta make sure I got no oil in my engine and make sure my engine don't explode. But I can just, you know what I'm saying? I can blow an engine. I can't roll cold. Delete that.
No, that might be the intro.
I'm meant to be in the intro to the war video.
That might be the intro. I had no intentions of doing a shop day video today, but just because you came out, just because he came out,
We gonna do a
I'm
shot.
gonna go ahead and throw one together. You
We gonna
know.
do a shot. What I do?
I'll put that on the socket.
Oh, okay. That's what I do. Gotta go put some sock. Shot day.
I think that's going.
It's gonna look good, especially when we get it at night again too. So here we are, playing with wires. Something I normally don't do. Usually leave this shit to G and them, because I don't play with electrical shit. But you know, trying to help out, trying to do my part. But I don't like fucking with these wires and shit, you know. But I'm gonna do it this one time. Just this one time. I'm gonna do it. if G don't come in here and take everything that I did apart because it's wrong or something. But we gonna see. We gonna see. Oh, need that back up here. Make sure I can still press my emergency brake. So check it out. We are hosting our meet tonight. War and State. What are y'all doing? Stop being weird. But anyway, War and State Rejects. We're hosting our meet tonight out Jesup. So great link up with the guys at G's house, my VP. I'm watching TV and stuff. But anyway, I'm a little behind, so I need to be leaving actually because the meet start in like 15, 20 minutes. But we're going to meet up, link up, get with the guys so we can head out to this meet. Hopefully it's a good turnout, so we have a good time, check out some trucks, and just kick it and have a good time, man. So see y'all when we get there. Check it out. Damn, I got the goddamn light on. Check it out, y'all. We out here, though. We in Jesup.
Hey, I'm out here too. Hey, I'm out here.
Hey, boy, you just gonna fuck. Okay.
Hey, I'm out here. I didn't know you was gonna say that.
Check it out. I want y'all to check that out.
All right, here we go.
I want y'all to check it out.
I'm gonna blur that out.
Rain.
I'm gonna blur that out just so you know. You might as well. You know what you need to do? You need to turn this W upside down, move this A over here, and put the R. That way it says war.
Ah, I was gonna say wrong.
Nah.
Wrong.
Anyway, before they interrupted my little intro, we out here though. We finally made it at the Justin meet. Good turnout so far. We still got people showing up. You know what I'm saying? Everybody out here showing the crew some love.
And you got the rims, too.
Huh?
Rims to match the color.
Oh yeah, got you.
It says Lord Vader in the wheel. Makes it 10 times better.
I had the shoes to match already, so it was just
There it is.
Hey, where's that? I thought we was gonna get this. Oh, you
Can't bring it out?
Oh, you can't?
It'll come out tomorrow.
It's gonna come out. Okay, we gonna see it tomorrow. Hey, where the rat man? Where's CJ? We don't need another decal. We gonna have to get her right.
yes, please.
We gonna have to get her right.
Not fair. How she come in so fast?
Huh?
How she get a decal so fast?
Hey man, hey, she is attached to you. She's your rib. She came in with you. we lifted her truck. When we lifted her truck.
She gotta slow down.
Huh?
She got.
What you mean slow down?
She trying to be up here with me.
Oh wow.
I told her.
Did you tell him to slow down?
A 3-inch
I said-
A 3?
I told her we
I
can
said
lift.
no,
I
6.
said she can go to 6 inches. Once she can reach eye level with me.
No,
Right,
we need up.
I don't know.
We need up. She gonna be the only lifted full-size SUV rolling around town.
I told her we can lift it. What? Once she
No,
grows a little bit.
she's full-size. Like
Suburban. We got
yeah,
XL. We got
she got the XL. Ain't nobody rolling around with no lifted XL freaking Yukon.
You still rolling now?
Nah, yeah. But if she do that, and then she a female, come on, man, she gonna be killing.
You got your eye, I got my eye. Let's go to war. Live by the war, die by the war. Let's go to war.